People playing ping pong and pool at night in the park. So this is about 11:30 on a Friday night, walking the promenade here along the beach. All kinds of people out here, even a couple of dogs. People practicing their shooting skills. Bar right here, Ratis, doesn't look super packed or anything. I don't know, these bars on the beach look kind of quiet. Is it because we're already into September and a lot of people have left? I'm not really sure. Check that out. That bar looks like an oasis in the middle of nowhere. So this place, Soho, doesn't look that busy either. This guy looks like Dave Attell. Let's see. Yeah, pretty empty. Yeah, another place right here on the beach. What is it, Aloha or something? Looks kind of dead in there as well. Alright, let's check out this weird mosaic sculpture thing. This is an ice cream shop. And this is the Hilton. Stray dogs are going wild over there. Somebody's walking by with their own dog. These dogs are almost attacking this guy for his ice cream. Yeah. I think maybe he made the mistake of giving them some and now they're all teaming up around him, wanting to get some. That's what it looks like. Normally these dogs aren't aggressive. This place looks a lot more busier than the other places. Sonori Beach Bar. This place isn't exactly killing it over here. Sector 22. People are having a good time. What's this guy doing? I thought he was he's supposed to balance that ball. I thought the guy was putting in spokes on a tire on a wheel, if you ever done that before. That's kind of like what it looks like.
take you for a ride. It's a big dream thing. Gonna take you for a ride. Big dream thing.
So this part of the park, or this part of the walkway, is a lot more lively, I guess because of the rides here. So a lot of families out here with their kids riding the rides and all of that, even though it's definitely after 12, maybe 12:15 or something. So kind of a light show on these buildings here. Buy all kinds of perfumes. So I don't know what this place is, but it's all lit up. And I think the Eclipse Casino is over here. It's a really big casino. I think it's the biggest one here. And also coming up is the remake of the Roman Colosseum building. This place is pretty busy. Oh, is that it's the Greek Parthenon building? Veranda Acropolis. Has a dance floor, it looks like. I don't know if it's food or just drinks. Probably both. Wow, real nice place. I had no idea this was here. This is the Roman Colosseum building. The inside part of it. Okay, we're a block away from that crazy McDonald's. Let's go see if it's open. So I think McDonald's is still open. I don't know if the eat inside is open or just the drive-through. Or you could buy one of these orange BMWs for sale. Is that a real 10-cylinder M5? Looks like the inside is open. So it's got to be after midnight right now. Oh, this is 24 hours, so. That was interesting to see, but I think once is enough. So that's a little night walk around Batumi on a Friday night. Honestly, it seems kind of quiet, kind of dead. I don't know, maybe that's because all the real action is happening at the casinos or something. I'm not really sure, and I don't really want to go there. So this is what Batumi looks like in September on a Friday night. Hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.